Hi, in this video demonstration, I'm going to showcase you how can you establish a connection with your WooCommerce account. Now I've just created a fresh journey in the Quickwork Journey Builder, and I've chosen WooCommerce as my trigger and order updated trigger, but you can choose anything that you like. It could also be an action, but to link an account, the process is pretty much the same for anything that you choose to do. So I'm going to click the link account. It's going to present me with a great deal of information with the connection name, consumer key, secret, host name, and whether there is a SSL involved or not. To help you with all of these details, I have created a WooCommerce account and installed it inside my WordPress as you would expect. So first thing you have to do is log into your admin panel, choose WooCommerce, and scroll down to the settings sections over here. Once you do that, you have to click on the advanced option on the navigation tab of the WooCommerce settings. And then you have to click on the page setup section in the REST API. Once you do that, you'll see a pre-existing set of keys that you have, or you may not have any, but your job is to click on this add key button right over here. Now you can give it a description. Your description could be anything that you like. I'm going to call it Quickwork Journey Builder connection. You can give it read, write, and read-write permissions. Depending on the activity you want to perform, you can give it the role accordingly. I'm going to give it read and write permission, and I'm going to generate the API key. Soon you will see that you have got the consumer key and the consumer secret available in front of you. You have to hit copy, go back to the journey builder, and paste the consumer key. Similarly, you have to paste the consumer secret into the Quickwork Journey Builder. For the connection name, I'm just going to call it a WooCommerce connection. You can name it whatever you like. And now it's the important part, which is to put in the host name. The host name is anything that you have as the name of your website followed by the WooCommerce domain. It could be app.woocommerce.com, and that word app would be your naming convention for that, for the host name that would go in here. So for us at this moment, it would be nameproducts.com. So I'm just going to have to put nameproducts.com itself without the HTTP, without anything like that. So I have to remove the HTTP in the front and the slash from the end. Now, unfortunately, my WooCommerce is not SSL encrypted. It's pretty much a free dummy setup, but yours should be if you have a genuine store. So I'm going to choose this as a no, but most probably this is going to be a yes if you have HTTPS enabled on your WooCommerce. Then you have to click on link account. And that is pretty much it. Now you can access all of these triggers as well as all of these actions with your WooCommerce with the same connection that you established. So I hope you find this video useful. Thank you very much for your time.